Today we're going to take a look at this Leo's Loo self-cleaning litter box. I just got it out of the box, and this is the baggie that comes with it. So what it comes with is the little bags. It does have a power cord. We'll look at the booklets that come with it. This is a little like a carbon bag that you put in the area that you have it, helps with the odor. And these are the little clips, I think, that go in here that secure the bag. So we'll take a look at what it comes with. Okay, it does have a little a step-by-step instruction, showing the contents. Of course, you have to use clumping litter for this because it sifts it out as it rotates. You use the little clips, so there's little like notches here. You slide, okay, there you go. Yeah, you just slide the clips out. So you put one here, here. That one didn't clip it. There we go. Okay. It's not that bad. It catches all the waste in there. All you got to do is pump those out. So let's put that in. All right. Push the clips in. Step 3. I'm going to go ahead and put the cord on. This guy does. Nice looking cord. Let's see how that so it says. Go ahead and turn it on. Oh, pass for 3 seconds, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, and it beeps. Oh. There, okay, there's the light. I guess it starts an auto turn. You want to make sure to place it on a solid, flat surface because it does turn. You wouldn't want it to be off balance, I guess just like a washer. And it has sensors, so you want to make sure it's flat because, the sensors aren't going to work right. So, you can pour in clumping clay cat litter and smooth the top surface. You do want to make sure not to exceed the max line. So let's wait for it to do its full turnaround. I think it does like a little thing where it calibrates because it's, yep, here it goes all the way around. Looks like it's calibrating it. It says it registers 0 pounds in there. So there is a scale in here. That's why I saw in the description, I'm sure it must say in here, yeah, clumping cat litter only. Like it says, it's going to show the kitty weight here. I believe it said it recommended 6 months and older because the cats have to be above 2 pounds. Because otherwise it's just not going to be enough weight for the litter the litter box to sense that the cat's in there. That's a safety thing. Now I do have 2 younger cats, but there's an automatic and a manual mode. So I'm going to wait to change it to automatic until they're older. I'm going to do manual, and that way, I know the cats aren't in there. Press the button, have it go, it's fine. But when it's automatic, you want to make sure that the cat's large enough that it won't start turning, thinking that the cat's not in there. Or I guess the reverse is too. It might go in there, it doesn't even sense it at all, so it's never going to activate it to go because it never senses a cat's in there. There has to be enough weight. It does have a night light. Clumping clay little only. Yeah, auto and manual. So now it's on auto. So, okay, that's a reset button. That's a night light button. It actually looks decorative. It's like a little night light. Mode. So you press for 3 seconds, so the M button here, between manual and automatic. So let's do that. And it's got the loud beep also to indicate, and it goes to M, manual. So that way it's not going to turn unless you tell it to turn. It looks like it does come with some extra clips. That might be just in case, you lose those other ones. That'd be easy to do. I really do like the look of this with the light on and off. And like I said, I'm going to go with manual for now. So I'm going to go ahead and go get some litter to put it in and pour a little water in there and the clumping cat litter, see how that works, turn it on, and give it a go. And let's take a look at, so when you're ready to clean it, it's pretty easy. Turn the light off. It's only three parts, so you just take this top part off. There's a little snap tab here and a little snap tab here. Pretty easy. See the little tabs? So that just clips on. Just take that off. And then the part with the litter, this is what it looks like here. So it's just a big round thing, and that little part goes here. You can see the little rollers that turn it. So you can take this whole thing out. Like if you want to take it out and be able to clean the outside, maybe I'm going to probably just take it outside and hose it every so often. But it's easy to do, fairly lightweight. And then you can just leave the base in place. So you come back here, get it all nice and clean. And you see if I just barely push on here, it's registering that weight. So the same thing, of course, if a cat goes in here, it's going to detect that weight. And then it has a sensor, so it knows, okay, detect the weight. All right, there's no weight. It has a timer, then it'll start going. So it knows, okay, there was a cat in here. There must have been some waste. So let's do our cycle. And that's, of course, on the automatic. The manual, it will not do it unless you tell it to start rotating. So let's get this back together. Okay, so in manual mode, which is how I'm going to use it, at least for a couple of months, the mode button, you just push it. You can see it'll start, slowly rotates. It wants to make sure that it's going to sift out everything. There's a little sifter in there, and the hole where it drops down into the waste bucket there. And if for any reason it's running and you need it to stop, you push the mode button. That's a pause button. If for whatever reason you need to stop in the middle, you just push it again. It continues in the middle of the cycle, just like if you were running a washing machine. And there we go. I think it's really cool, the feature with the weight on there. I mean, it's very sensitive. I'm barely touching on that. If a cat goes in, it's definitely going to sense that weight. And I'm guessing when it has the litter in, you know, that's obviously going to have some weight, but as soon as it detects that little bit of difference, it's going to know it's when a cat goes inside of there. I really like the look of this. It's very sleek. Like I said, I've never seen an attractive litter box. Okay, I mean, this looks like, it's like a giant little nightlight. It's really cool. It looks like a little igloo. It's got the little Leo's Lou logo up here. Already, actually, when I put it out, the kittens were going in and exploring it already. Don't have litter, so fortunately they didn't know it was a litter box yet. We got to get this set up in the room, and I'm sure they're going to love it. They love anything new. I mean, this is great. It's nice that they're coming out with products that are more sleek, and, you know, there's a lot of people too that maybe they don't have a dedicated room to put the litter box. You know, it's not like you have some big nasty tray of litter. So it's great because it's so versatile to put wherever you need. So I really like this. I can't wait to start using it, and I'm excited to have it for my kitties. Thanks so much for watching.